Hello guys, good morning. Yesterday Sunday, I was making an analysis on BTC USD. So at the initial time on my 4-hour time frame, I was waiting for a sell at this zone because I wanted this 1-hour candle to hit up there. Maybe if I see a rejection down, then I take that sell at that zone. But unfortunately, the breaking of this bullish candle make me change my mind on this particular sell I wanted to take at this spot. So the market broke to the upside with that bullish candle, making me to check or wait for reposition for a sell. And also it has created another support level at this zone here. So at the end of yesterday, the market was able to give us this rush, or what I'm seeing here. The bearish candle came back here again, which giving me a resistance level at this up here. But as it is now, I'm only looking for a buy. This 4-hour time frame, I'm looking for a buy. The market has break to this recent resistance level, so I'm waiting for a retracement to this recent resistance that's already been breaking to the upside. So I'm waiting for a retracement to this new support level before I will take any buy at this zone. So I'll be watching this trade, I'll be watching this pair closely and see what's going to happen. If maybe it retraces down again, that will make me like to change my reposition again and look what the market trying to give me at this zone. But for now, I'm just waiting for a buy setup and a retracement candle to this recent support level. Maybe a buy that will take me all over to this recent resistance up here. So let's just see. Today is actually Monday. Let me check on USD Let me see what is happening there. First, let's go back to 4-hour. This USD Okay, the same thing too. The market open at this zone, the same thing. So let's just see. It has broken to the upside. So just a little retracement to that support level. Yeah, just a bearish candle retracement to this support level for me to take a buy that will take me all over to this level. So let's keep watching. I'll be watching those pair closely because I'm seeing a buy there. Let's all check Euro JPY. Let me go forward. Okay, this is 4-hour time frame. The same level. I don't know, all the pair are just giving me the same structure. It has broken to the upside, just a retracement for me to take that buy. Let me check JPY, the same thing. CAD JPY, the same thing, just a retracement. Euro JPY, this one is crazy. I don't even know the kind of structure this one is giving me. It has not even giving me any signal at all. We'll just overlook this. So my stake of BTC is buy, but I still want a retracement to that support level for me to buy to the upside. So guys, see you. Just waiting for a retracement. Peace out. So guys, day 2 of trading. Let me go all over from BTC. Yeah, yesterday I told you guys I was waiting for a breakout, which the market later gave me that breakout. So I said I was waiting for a retracement to this zone before I take the buy, but unfortunately this retest didn't give me that full confirmation for the buy. So I was waiting for a retracement down here for me to take it back, but at the end of this 1 hour candle, it gave me a bearish candle, which didn't give me that full confirmation for me to place my buy here. So at the end of the day, the market keep going down, going down, going down. So even though I missed an entry here, I was supposed to take a buy here. What's the time? Let me check when. Okay, this was 5 a.m. I didn't got this buy. If not, I will like cash up this buy. So like this is a very nice entry for me to take this buy. So the market came back here, retraced to the upside. I will like cash out this buy. But so far so good. Today is Tuesday, which is on the 9th of December. So this is another buy setup. I've already taken this buy. The market went back again, test. So after this bullish candle, that's giving me that confirmation for me to take that buy. This is also one of the conflicts I used to get when taking an entry. So I've taken the buy at this zone for BTC. So at the end of the day, I'll also like show you what later happen at this zone. Let's all check USDJPY. USDJPY, based on my analysis on the higher time frame, the buy for me has been taken on USDJPY. On my higher time frame, this resistance has been breaking to the upside. So coming back to lower time frame, which is 1 hour time frame, that where I take my entry, it has retest and give me that bullish confirmation for me to take the buy. So let us see at the end of the day on USDJPY. I've already placing that trade on my MetaTrader 5. So let's just see this on EURJPY. I missed the entry already. The market has already gone before me. I missed the entry. In my buys takeoff will have been here, but I didn't cash up that buy. I didn't cash up the buy. JPY, the same thing too. I missed the entry at this zone. The terminal is 8 a.m. I will like cash up this, but maybe after this 1 a.m. or maybe probably 3 a.m. candle. But I missed the trade. Let's check. Chep. This is a sell. I've already taken up the sell, but if it went up again, maybe if you break to the upside again, no problem. But I've already taken the sell. I'm expecting something like this. Yeah, maybe all over to this zone here. So let's see. This is Canadian JPY. So I will say come back on this day trade, because I've already taken the trade, so that I will show you the end of what happened at this zone. I will come back for this. So guys, stay with me. So day 3 of trading. This is BTC, the one analyzed this morning. The other time I told you guys I'm going to bring the outcome of this trade, like the feedback of the trade. So this was one analyzed this morning, yesterday morning. So if you check today date is 10th. Yesterday was 9. If you check my previous video before this one, so today is actually Wednesday. So this outcome, the same thing with USDJPY. Let's go to USDJPY. You see, everything went as we predicted. bullish. I also took the trade and also BTC as well, and you can check by the side of the video. I'm going to like overlap it by the side of the video. You will see the entry that show that I took this particular trade, USJPY. And as for Euro JPY, like I said, the trade has already go before me. If I should place a buy on this, because this is actually a buy setup, if I should take a buy on this, I will have taken the buy at this zone. But as of yesterday, when I check the chart, the market has already up to this level. So the market has already gone up to this level, which didn't give me, a valid position for me to take a buy at this zone. So I just have to leave the trade like that. The same thing with chef JPY too. The same thing. My buy support will be have taken here, but the market has already gone up to this place, so I couldn't take the buy. It was only BTC. It was only BTC, even though I almost catch this trade late, but I was on time for this. If you watch, this was where I took the entry, somewhere at this second or first bullish candle, I think so, because I'll shake this a little. So I think my entry was somewhere here, then my stop loss was below this bullish candle, somewhere there. So that is why I was able to catch this. The same thing on USDJPY. The same thing. The price has already retest with this pin bar candle. I think that's what they call it, pin bar candle. So it tests it. So that was when I knew this market is still going to go, because that's already broken that recent resistance level and retest it with that skeleton candle you see at this middle here, this one in my 1 hour time frame. So that was when I knew this market is going to go up. It was on, yeah, it's CAD JPY. Yeah, I took an entry here yesterday too for a buy, but the market hit up my stop loss. Yes, I can say this actually my mistake. I will wait for the finish of this candle, this bullish candle you are seeing at the center of this cross here. I will wait for the finish of that candle, but I just took that the reason that it has already retest again for a sell, but I will wait for the end of this candle, then I will see how that candle is going to close on my 1 hour before placing any sell. So the correction has been taken. Anytime I want to place any trade, if the thing has hit to my normal zone or normal level, just wait for a bullish or a bearish candle, depending on the direction of the market, depend on the direction of the move you want to go. Just wait for that bullish or bearish candle to give you that signal. So I actually made a mistake here. I think I lost some couple of dollars, but not much. I just ended the trade before it hit up my stop, because I knew I already made a mistake here yesterday. So chef JPY, I think the same thing too. Yeah, I've explained chef JPY already. So I missed the entry here. As of yesterday morning, when I checked the charts, the market has already gone up to here, so there was no position entry for me to take. At least I just left it like that. So as for today being 10th of December 2025, what am I seeing on BTC? Let us go to the higher time frame. Okay, go to the higher time frame. Yeah, you see the market went to this recent resistance level, although it broke to the upside, giving us a little bullish candle like this week rejection here, then the next candle now gave us a very massive bearish move, which based on what I'm seeing, the market is about going to reverse to the downside. So if I should place any trade here, either I put my sell option at this place and wait for a test, or probably I will just wait for the market to touch this, then I will not see if the market will give me a bullish closing candle or a bearish closing candle, depend on what the market is going to give me. But for this, I'm waiting for a sell at this zone, depend on the closing of the candle that will hit up the zone. So I'm waiting for a sell. I'm waiting for this. Well, let me draw something for you guys. Look at the diagram of what? Something like this. Something like this. So the same thing on USDJPY2. This is 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour because I've already marked out my zone on 4 hours. So the same thing. I'm waiting for a little push to the upside before I take that sell. So that's what I am anticipating on this USDJPY and BTC. So guys, peace out. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to do another trading day 4 of trading. Then let me see what this one is going to give me for today. Let's check and see. Peace out.